Hi, I'm Tony. Today we'll be uncrating a US-2000 AD. We have already removed the box, and the tools needed will be a 4mm Allen wrench, safety glasses, and side cutters. First, we'll cut the bands holding the machine to the pallet. Then we will remove the zip tie securing the dancer arm. Then we will remove the foam shipping block from the arch. Lifting with your knees, remove the bander from the pallet. To adjust the height of the bander, first lock all 4 wheels. Then loosen all 4 Allen set screws. You can use the product guide as a gauge to make sure the machine stays level. Once it's set on there, you can firmly tighten the 2 Allen screws on each leg. Under the front table, you'll find the service manual, operations manual, power cord, and foot pedal. The serial number is located on this tag here and will be required for service inquiries and ordering parts. The foot pedal is connected to the machine via the X50 plug, which connects here. The power cord is connected here. An extension cord is not recommended. The power switch is located here. Your machine will come with a roll of material installed already, but for this video I will show you how to remove an empty core, install a new roll, and thread it into the bander. First we'll remove the cover, then we'll walk the empty core off of the spindle. Do not turn it, otherwise damage could occur to the spindle. Then with your new roll of material, you'll take the tape off and then cut off a length of material to make sure no adhesive enters the bander. Then push from the center of the core straight onto the spindle with material coming off at the top. Then you will lock up the dancer arm onto the latch. Then you will go over the top of the first roller, under the second roller, and then before you go onto the middle roller, you need to lift up the band and sensor here. Make sure you go under the last roller. Then you can place the cover back onto the band. It will go tight to the roll and then come back off loose due to the cam. Place the end of the material into the feed track. Then depress the feed wheel lever and roll the belted roller until the material comes out the other side. Now you'll push reset, and this will feed an additional amount of banding out of the feed track. You're going to hold the piece that comes out and press reset one more time. As you can see, the material will be cut, and the HMI will prompt you to once again press reset to feed the rest of the material into the arch. Set the product guides for your product. Now you can band to your heart's content.